Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Isolate power and wear safety glasses and insulated gloves. Pick a driver matched to LED current. The driver controls brightness and safety. Once done, prepare the base adapter and test fit the diffuser so heat flow remains. Make sure to use 1822 AWG wire for connections and keep a multimeter on hand to verify the driver output before connecting. You'll need a small heat sink to avoid overheating. Assemble on a non-conductive surface and keep components organized. Now assemble the core. Attach LED strips evenly to the heat sink with thermal paste. This improves longevity and efficiency. Once mounted, solder them to the insulated PCB, observing polarity, plus to plus, minus to minus, and test each string with a multimeter. Then, connect the driver output to the LED array using heat shrink tubing for insulation. Make sure to add strain relief on the driver input wires. Once everything is soldered and insulated, briefly bench test the driver at low voltage. To finish, fit the LED module into the diffuser and secure it to the base adapter, leaving small airflow gaps for cooling. Once mounted, install the bulb into a lamp socket on a switch circuit and power test at the rated voltage. Observe for flicker, color shift, or excessive heat after 5 to 10 minutes. If you see flicker or high temperature, immediately cut power. A key troubleshooting tip: recheck driver compatibility, solder joints, and ventilation. Poor contact or wrong driver causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.